Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Chromecast. First, connect your Chromecast device directly into an available HDMI port on your television. Next, plug the USB power cable into the Chromecast itself, and then connect the other end into a wall outlet or a USB port on your television. Finally, power on your television and use your remote to select the correct HDMI input where your Chromecast is connected. This ensures your device receives power and is visible on screen. Now, let's get your Chromecast connected to your home network. Begin by downloading the Google Home application onto your smartphone or tablet from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the Google Home app and sign in using your existing Google account. The app will then guide you through a few simple steps to find your new Chromecast and connect it securely to your home's wireless internet network, usually in less than 1 minute. With your Chromecast connected, it's time to personalize it. The Google Home app will prompt you to assign a unique name to your device, such as Living Room TV or Bedroom Chromecast, making it easy to identify. You will also select your preferred language and geographical region settings. Finally, link your personal Google account to the Chromecast. This step enables personalized content recommendations and access to your subscribed services, enhancing your viewing experience. You are now ready to start casting. Open any compatible streaming application on your smartphone or tablet, such as YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify. Look for the distinct cast icon, which typically resembles a television screen with a Wi-Fi signal, and tap it. A list of available devices will appear. Simply select your newly named Chromecast. Your chosen content will then seamlessly appear on your television screen, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.